Well, g'day and welcome to JoeJoeMoto. Oh my gosh, what a day. Finished the KTM last night, just dropped it off to Motorcycle Tuning Solutions to get fixed, and I'm gonna head out for a ride with Mr. Luke now. Yeah, he's leading, I'm making him lead, so we'll see where we go. Oh, limo service, boy! I finally got around to rolling the bars right forward too, because they were so far back it felt like riding a Harley, you know, like real weird. Just wasn't what I'm used to, so I'm rolling it almost as far forward as they can go, just to see the big difference, and yeah, it's making standing up like 100 times better. Mr. Luke lead today, he's leading the whole day. Today's ride, so see where he takes us.
Have a look at the washout section, see how muddy that is.
Yeah. The washout section. Oh, I know where he's talking about. The hard enduro track up here. We're doing that today. Oh my gosh. Maybe I should have had a few more coffees this morning. As always, I don't care what we do, I'm out on my dirt bike. And that's all that matters. Oh my gosh! That was awesome! Hey, you don't want to fall in that. I know this thing's going to be full of water. It was the last time and it's been raining heaps, so... Yeah, full of water, huh? Imagine how much bogginess that'd be. How deep is it though, huh? Oh. I'm in here now. Oh, I'm just gonna keep going for a bit. That was all right.
Wow, that's how you go into that water. I'm gonna do it then. And then I saw the rear tire. Oh, I'm not doing it.
Oh, yeah. I don't know. That one you sort of got to. Whoa! My gosh! Whoa! Yeah. Psycho. Oh god, he just launches it, eh? He doesn't mess around. Whoa! Hard enduro track. And then, yeah, nice! That was awesome. It's just the wrong length for a bike. Bonk. It's a swear. That's funny. You just had a stack, did ya? Oh. Shifter. That is a clean XR, man. What year model's that? That is so clean. You just don't see him in that condition, eh? That's awesome.
It's
so clean anymore.
Well, a few little scratches here and there. You're gonna be riding it back with no clutch? Yeah. All right. Safe travels.
Oh, yeah, stay safe.
Young fella coming gutser. This flowy track. Awesome. Do you want to go right here? Yeah, just check it out. See how far it goes. Yeah. Yeah. All terrain. So this is from another video when I was just riding solo. I came from the other way, all the way to this big, just couldn't get through there area. So yeah, it'll be good to go from this side and get to that point, I guess, and see if it all links up. Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
I see what you mean.
Yeah.
Pretty deep too.
I know. Well, this is a track that I've never been on. Don't know where it is, where we go, what's the go. Wow, there you go, hey? Neato. Just keeps giving. Awesome. Ah, one of the best single tracks, huh? Oh, don't get caught up in that. My gosh. Where did this track come from? Wrong gear. Don't forget, you're on a 200 still. Gotta be in the right gear if you're doing that stuff, hey? Oh, it's so slippery. So slippery. Yeah, the creek's just there. Wow. What an awesome single track loop. What an epic loop, hey? All single track. That's so cool. Alright, we doing the creek? Me first or you first? You go first. Yeah. You're leading today. Oh gosh. Just take it easy, man. Just take it. He's just... Oh! 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 Oh, that was boggy. Oh! You have to push it out a bit, yeah. Push it. Oh! Oh boy! Yeah. Oh. It's probably like, you know, 20 centimeters deep through the middle or something. Oh, we'll have to see this in a dry, hey. Oh. I can't send it like he did though. You're a madman. Oh, that's... Should... Hey? I'm gonna do the same track as you did. We'll see what happens. Oh. Oh, that was deep, eh? Oh my gosh. Woo! Oh, that's funny. Wet boots and wet gear now. That was fun. Ooh, that's sloppy. Oh, nice one! Yoo-hoo! You know the time when you turn the camera off? The only time you turn the camera off and someone... oh, on that little, yeah, that log there. Yeah. Oh. Well, look, let's just pretend we saw what happened. Oh, that's a tight section. Whoa! I nearly fell over. All terrain. Oh, that was awesome. It was all crossed up. Alright, well, after all that excitement, that's it for our ride today. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. For such a cruisy little afternoon plan, just to go and ride around and muck around a little bit. What a crazy ride. Oh, good times. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, do the notifications, drop a comment below, let me know what you thought about it, and I will see you guys on the next ride.